SIHH is one of the two most important international watch fairs in the world. It's really a worldwide get-together of everybody who has influence in the watch business. Timewalker is a very modern, contemporary-looking collection. It is for people who want to show their individual style, and it's for people actually who live all around the world and who travel the world. The Timewalker Voyager UTC is the classical interpretation of a second time zone. Your business partner is located in New York. You can very easily set this time to his location. And now we come actually to something which is a really extremely useful watch for a traveler. We have the Timewalker Twin Flag Chronograph. That's our manufacture twin flag chronograph movement. You have your local time always here in the center, and you have your 24-hour home time here on the top. So that is actually the perfect watch for the frequent traveler, combined with the manufactured twin flag chronograph movement. Last but really not least, a world time watch with a unique twist. And we call the concept Timewalker hemispheres. On the left, the southern hemisphere, on the right, the northern hemisphere. And you see actually that the center of the watch is the world seen from the respective hemisphere. So here you have all the cities in the northern hemisphere, the Paris, the New York, Vladivostok, Tokyo, etc. They are located geographically correct to the landscape on the outer ring. On the back case, the southern hemisphere with the respective cities engraved. And on the southern hemisphere is actually exactly the other way around. On the dial you see the world seen from the southern hemisphere. The functionality is almost the same. The only difference is because when you look from the Earth from the other side, the time turns in the other direction.